High definition oscilloscope. Is that right? Okay. Would you look at this?
16 times more resolution.
16 times closer to perfect. Who's doing that?
More levels.
Levels!
Whoa.
More signal detail.
Who's doing that?
Low noise.
Clean, crisp waveforms.
Who's doing that? Who's doing that? Nobody's doing that.
4,096 quantization levels on this screen.
Who's doing that?
This screen.
Nobody's doing that. 4,096, definitely 4,096. Who's doing that? Phenomenal signal fidelity.
12-bit resolution.
Nobody's doing that. Nobody.
Unmatched measurement precision.
Who's doing that? Teledyne LeCroy, HDO. Who's doing that? Nobody's doing that.